Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, about 6:30 a.m. East Coast time. This is the sunrise. You can see the fog where the river is down below there. The birds are all out. Oop, there goes one right by us. There goes another one. The birds are all out, singing their beautiful songs. And there's one of my roosters saying good morning. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Let's not all live in fear with all the craziness going on in the world today. Hit the like and subscribe button. That silly rooster. I will be doing some tarot readings and some oracle cards readings coming up pretty soon. Thank you for coming to my channel and have a blessed and beautiful day.